So today we will design a immutable class. The class whose state is we cannot change, so we call it a immutable class. So once the object is created, its data cannot be changed. That is immutable class. So in Java, we already have immutable classes like string. We have, so there are UT classes also there, means like math classes there, that is also a immutable class. So today we will see means how we can design the immutable class, what things we need to do. Okay, so so firstly miss we need a constructor, right? Miss it would be miss public, miss, so that we can initialize the object fields, right? So we can pass the data to that object, and we can set its values, right? So I have declared a public constructor. Okay, so in this class is just miss for understanding only, uh, miss I have given some of the fields like id, name, and some of the addresses. Okay, so you can assume like employee id, employee name, and its addresses. Okay, and so I have to design miss a class miss in which miss I cannot change these properties once I have set through this constructor. Okay, so we know miss in encapsulation we follow these setter getters, right? So by using setters we can set these field values of the object, right? And we can get the values by using getters, right? So to design a miss immutable class, we firstly miss we can skip the setters, right? So miss in immutable class miss we don't need setters because we have to design a class miss where we cannot set the values, right? So the first step is to skip the setters, which I have skipped. Okay, so after that miss what I can do is miss I can make these variables private so that it cannot be accessed outside this class. Okay, so this is the first thing miss I can do. After that miss I can make these fields final, so that once its value miss I have set through this constructor, it will cannot change. Okay, and okay, so I make the final also. Okay, so here miss this is a primitive type, means here miss I am using the class object, string class object, which is also a immutable class, right? String I have already mentioned is immutable class. So this is non-primitive data type, and here miss I'm using list of the addresses miss, which can be array list. I will pass. Okay, so let's see miss if this class is immutable or not. Okay, so this is just a miss driver class, miss I'm creating the object of the same class. So in the same way miss I have created the object id, I passed name and the list of addresses like Bangalore, Punjab. Okay, so here I'm using the getters, miss I'm getting the values. Okay, so let's see miss I'm just checking miss if my class is immutable or not. Okay, because I have made all the fields final, right? So its value cannot be changed. Okay, so let's see if it's working or not. So just I'm running the program. Okay, so you can see miss here I'm called the get address getter. Okay, but still if you see the result means still the Pune value get added to the our previous object, the original object, it's getting added to that, which means that this list is not immutable, right? Still miss by placing the final keyword, still miss I can change this field of this object, right? So how can we make this class fully miss immutable? So what I can do is firstly miss I can give the copy of the object, the original copy of the object, right? Because in this way the user can use the copy object and the original will stay original, right? It cannot be modified because I'm changing in the duplicate location. You can see it's working. Same as I'm doing object or address, because I'm changing in the copy of that addresses, not on the original object, right? So this is the this one way, miss I'm returning the new object where miss I've copied the original object. So this is the one way miss I can do. So in Java also, in collection framework, they have given us a this collections class, and which has a method unmodifiable list. So by using that also I can do, but this method will throw some exception, right, when we are trying to add the data to this class. Okay, so you can see it will throw some kind of unsupported operation exception, right? So by using these steps, miss I can make the class final, and you can also make the class final so that nobody can inherit this class and change its behavior. So these are the all steps we need to make a class immutable. Any questions, any queries, miss, you can ask me, miss, you can comment, and please do subscribe my channel.